bitch, dude. I'm so far south. Oh, there's a police station. Climbing the police station, jumping off it. Wait.
Yeah, what you smoking, Akira?
Marijuana.
Yeah, no shit. What is it?
This strain is like a purple and sour diesel kind of.
Oh, dude, I see another guy already. He's running right for the police station too.
Huh?
You live somewhere and you got a card?
A card?
A permit, legal, medical. Oh, that's too bad.
I know, right? I'll be smoking much better shit.
Oh, no shit, man. I was like, sour diesel, that's pretty good, but...
Not when it's coming from the street.
Well, you know.
I know the difference between street grown and lab grown. I think the difference is undeniable.
Where you live at, like what state?
Georgia.
Oh, that's cool. I grew up down in LA. I go back there every Super Bowl and stay until about May. Go get my card.
I went there for fucking Judge Judy.
Did you get on an episode?
I got an episode. I don't really know how they find that exact one, but yeah, I'm on Judge Judy.
That's awesome, man. Did you win?
Yeah.
Sweet! I want to see it.
I'm kind of glad I can't find it because most of my friends will probably use that for blackmail.
Yeah. Dude, being in court is fucking, I mean, I don't know how Judge Judy was, but...
What a bitch.
Dude, I went to court. My ex accused me of she attacked me, and I had to call the cops on her. And they charged me with domestic violence.
Anybody in here?
It was fucking scary as hell, man.
Hello? I'm a friendly Bambi. Fresh spawn.
Yeah,
please don't shoot. Fresh spawn. Nothing on me.
I wouldn't have been able to own a gun. I wouldn't be able to, like, get a job with, you know, kids or anything like that. I would have been fucked.
I ain't got nothing. Fresh spawn.
But, yeah, that's cool that you were on Judge Judy and you won.
Oh, man. Starting over again.
So, man, like, is Finna mostly East Coast?
I think so. I'm East Coast. Hey, Sporter.
Coughing so hard, it's making my character turn around.
Hey, friendly. No, don't, dude, I'm friendly. What are you trying to hit me with? Why are you trying to hit me with that? You're fucking mean. I'm friendly. I am very friendly. That wasn't nice of you. What are you doing? You want the gun? I'll drop the gun for you. Here.
No!
There you go. Drop the gun. There, you can have it. It was just a Sporter 22. Don't fuck with me, bitch. Yeah.
Did you
You're about to be dead, bitch.
got him?
You wanna fuck with me? Huh? You wanna fuck with me? Hell yeah, I got this, bitch.
And what'd you do to him?
I'll record it. Don't worry, I'll record it. This fucking bitch. I'll stab your ass with this fucking pitchfork.
That bitch like a fucking pig.
I am, dude. She got so many fucking holes in her right now.
Yeah,
Check pulse. Check pulse. She's got a how the fuck you still got a strong pulse, bitch?
Tell that bitch Hail Finna.
Hail Finna, bitch!
Hey, does Finna stand for anything, or is it just a tag?
It's just a tag. It's shit we...
Has no pulse. That's what I fucking thought, you
It'd be
bitch.
like, who you finna try?